Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and I love to do hauls, some makeup looks, some fashion inspo, some car vlogs. If that's something you'd be interested, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. So this weekend was Memorial Day weekend, so happy Memorial Day to all of you guys. But it was a weekend of work, so we did do some more landscaping and stuff. We picked up a couple of more flowers. We went to a flea market up like an hour away from us, and I'm gonna cut into some images because, you know, we went to one of the flea markets and then we were like one step ahead of the rain, but it was like maybe 5 minutes behind the rain. We got to the first flea market. I'm only showing you a little bit of the entrance. It came down pouring. You know, there was a lot of tents and stuff, so that was fine. But then we left. We went to this area in New Haven that I've been wanting to go to for a while. It's a bunch of food trucks, and it was just trucks and trucks of food. We got there, everything looked good. I filmed from one to another as we decided where we wanted to eat. But I ordered the food and boom! It's a big flea market. Let's see what we find. Remember these? Your mama had it on her bed.
Left or right?
Let's go left. So this is New Haven, and there's just a row of food trucks that we're gonna try. Look at the old cars. Look, they got pastrami.
They got pinchos. ¿Qué le vamos a dar? ¿Quiere más el menú? Tacos de birria, nachos, flautas, churros,
Everywhere we've gone today, the rain has been right behind us. So it is pouring, but I'm glad that we got to at least walk around and see what they were offering, like what kind of stuff. There's a bunch of Puerto Rican flags, but there's a bunch of Mexican, Ecuadorian stands that are selling, you know, tacos and stuff. And I wanted to get the tacos birrias because I was like, ooh, but I gotta get stuff from the Puerto Rican trucks because I want to try some stuff. So we ended up getting pinchos with tostones. I got pork. My husband got the steak pinchos. It's only 3 o'clock, so I didn't want to get anything heavy because we are gonna get dinner later. We're going to the mall in Trumbull. He wants to look at some shoe store, so let me show you the food. Okay, vamos a ver. Look at these totones. Look, we found this hat, right? It actually flew away to us. It says Puerto Rico. The food was 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Let me show you the truck. This is the truck. That's their number. If you're ever in the New Haven area, I don't know if this is New Haven, but it's going up towards Hartford. This is the truck. As you can see, it goes all the way down, but this one is the one we ate, and it was the bomb.
Take a picture of them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You see these growing inside of these. I don't know if this is supposed to look like this, or if this is a whole totally different tree growing inside, you know? So we gotta do maintenance on this, brush the platform, get all that stuff out so that we can start working on the pool. I don't know if you can see, but that water, you know, the rain, the grass already grew. Like, we gotta trim, probably trim this and then even this out. But another weekend filled with yard work. So I just changed. This is my outfit of the night. I'm heading to the movies with my husband. My son doesn't want to go, so it's gonna be like a date night. We're gonna go have dinner, then we're gonna go watch, I don't even know. So after all the yard work, now we're gonna go out. I really didn't feel like it, but